35th Rose, Cardinal Pierre. Blessed Alan says that a certain Cardinal Pierre, whose titular church was that of St. Mary beyond the Tiber, was a great friend of St Dominic's and had learned from him a deep devotion to the Most Holy Rosary. This resulted in his loving it so much that he never ceased singing its praises and encouraging everyone he met to embrace it. Eventually, he was sent as a legate to the Holy Land, to the Christians who were fighting the Saracens. So successfully did he convince the Christian army of the power of the Rosary that they started saying it one and all to storm heaven for help in a battle in which they knew they would be pitifully outnumbered. This resulted in victory for them, and 3,000 Christians triumphed over an enemy of 100,000. As we have seen, the devils have an overwhelming fear of the Rosary. St. Bernard says that the angelic salutation puts them to flight and makes all hell tremble. Blessed Alan says that he has seen several people delivered from Satan's bondage after taking up the Holy Rosary, even though they had previously sold themselves to him in body and soul by renouncing their baptismal vows and their allegiance to our Lord Jesus Christ.